What's up, y'all? Ben Reber, Cowboy Contractor with R&B Products. Welcome to our how-to YouTube channel. This portion is going to be our Luxe Seal Super Wet mixing portion and application, and this video starts now. This Super Wet Luxe Seal comes in two parts. It comes in a half kit and a full kit. This is our full kit. I always recommend buying the full kit just because you get more bang for your buck, and you can always split this.
Seal Super Wet is a two-part, water-based acrylic urethane sealer designed to penetrate into concrete and pavers, creating a durable protective film that enhances color and protects against water damage, ultraviolet rays, mildew, wear from foot and vehicle traffic. It also helps bind joint sand and won't yellow over time. This water-based acrylic urethane sealer protects and enhances concrete and paver surfaces, while giving them a beautiful high-gloss wet look finish. Coverage depends on the surface, but typically averages 200 to 400 square feet per gallon. Proper surface prep is key to a great seal. Be sure to treat all stains with the appropriate compound. If the pavers have been previously sealed, be sure to strip the old sealer off first, using our Sin City stripper. To begin mixing the sealer, be sure to have a designated prep area. This sealer is designed to allow user to adjust the level of sheen. For pavers, this formula should be cut with water. Adding more water will create less sheen, giving you a semi-gloss finish, while using less water will give you a higher gloss finish. Part B will come in two separate bags that can be sealed up and saved, to be used again at a later time. This allows contractors to use only the amount of sealer needed, rather than mixing the entire bucket and wasting the remaining amount. Standard mixing ratios are 4 parts A, 1 part B, 5 parts water. For example, when preparing entire full kit, add both Part B bags into the bucket with Part A and stir for 2 full minutes. Split the mixture into 2 separate buckets equally. Then fill each bucket with water, creating 12 gallons of sealer. Be sure to mix the formula for another 2 full minutes once the water has been added. Do not whip air into the formula. If you only need to use half of the full kit, simply pour half of Part A into another bucket and set aside one of the Part B bags, and seal your original bucket back up for later use. Use the secondary bucket with half of Part A and mix 1 bag of Part B. Mix for 2 full minutes, add water to the top, and mix for another 2 full minutes. Apply the Luxe Seal Super Wet with a sprayer. When spraying, use a tip designed for gloss coatings. For more control of coverage, we recommend a fan tip sprayer. The first coat of sealer should be a flood coat, ensuring full coverage and saturation of the pavers. Some pavers will absorb more than others. Do not allow the sealer to puddle. Use a nap roller to backroll sealer and coat evenly. For best results, apply a second coat of sealer. This should be a mist coat to ensure sealer is applied evenly throughout. To avoid overspraying, be sure to rake back decorative rocks and use a shield to protect exterior surfaces, windows, plants, and turf. This sealer can be applied to damp areas. However, avoid applying over puddled water or impending rain. After sealing, be sure to wash all tools and equipment with soap and fresh water. We recommend partially filling your sprayer with soap and water while it is not in use. And that is how you apply RMB's Luxe Seal Super Wet 2-part Paver Sealer.